Okay. I got a different mic now. Yay. So what did I just see in the dryer? What did I just see in the dryer? I just saw some snow in the dryer. So, the dryer's on right now. I'm gonna go outside and fucking piece of shit gay Honda cunt. Fuck your gay piece of shit Honda, you piece of shit Ricer motherfucker. Fuck your Honda. So, dryer's on now. That's just lint. Holy crap. Look at all this. Ay ay ay. I don't care. Gotta keep this shit clean, man. Oh, wait a second. No, it's the other way around. I'm an idiot. And then I gotta clean this shit. That's not acceptable. That's not acceptable. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Holy fuck. It's all of my sister's hair. Oh, fuck off. That's on me now. Great. Fuck you. Piece of shit. Fuck you. Oh my god, this is so hard to do. Ew, get off. Fuck it, that's the best I can do now. Yeah, full of her hair now. Fuck you. Oh, it's cold. It's cold, I'm going in the fucking side. Oh. Oh.